Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I know my wig looks crazy right now, but maybe it'll just tie together once my look is done. We will see. Today I am doing a little unbagging and try on with my Apoclyptic Beauty bag for this month. This month's theme is Scarab Queen and I'm really excited. I think it's going to be really pretty. I already peeked in the bag when I got this in the mail about a week ago and whew, I think it's going to be a good one. I'm really excited. If you are new to these videos, Apoclyptic Beauty is an indie brand and they have a monthly subscription service as well. I believe it's $15 a month now, right around there, and you get 4 to 6 products from their brand. Everything is cruelty free and I'm pretty sure most of it, if not all of it, is vegan as well. I like most of their stuff so much. I really like their liquid lip formula. I like their glosses. I love their chunky glitters. They're so cute. Their shadows, for the most part, are really, really pretty, especially when used with a glitter primer, and I will show you that when I swatch them on my hands as well as use them on my eyes. I love their highlights. I really don't get disappointed from them too often. I've been subscribed to them for about a year now, and about 5 or maybe 6 months ago, I became an affiliate with them as well. I still pay for my bag each month, but if you choose to shop on their site, you can use my code beautbean for 15% off. It doesn't work for the subscription, but it does work for any of the other goodies on the site. I don't make a direct commission, like physical money, but I do get store credit if you use my code, so thank you very much in advance. Whew, all right, that was a lot of information packed in there. Let's get on with the unbagging. This month we got 5 things. We got 3 shadows, a gloss, and a glitter, and I'm really excited. I always love when we get a glitter and a lip product. It's just one of my favorites. So I like the bag, gold, flaky looking, cute, very appropriate with the theme. They always send candy as well that's kind of themed. Like we got this little gold wrapper candy, super cute. The gloss we got is Bastet. I'm hyped to put that on my mouth. It looks to be a really pretty gold gloss. What do they describe it as? A golden lip topper. It looks like this. That's really cute. I like that it's not crazy opaque. I feel like that'll be really pretty by itself or on top of a lipstick. We'll see what I choose to do. The glitter we got is Sarcophagus. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like different shaped flecks of gold and blue and indigo. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but it's so pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to put that on my eyeballs. And then we got 3 shadows. We got Anubis, Seth, and Khepri. I think I'm saying that correctly because I did look it up. Anubis is described as a lapis with gold flecks. Seth is described as a glittering warm gold, and Khepri is described as a yellow gold. So we will see what they look like. I'm gonna swatch them all, and then I'm also gonna swatch them all over my NYX glitter primer just because I did that in the last video and you guys really liked seeing how much they really pop over a glitter glue versus by themselves. I tell it to everyone, I love these shadows, but they really do need that glitter primer to really pop. Without that, it's just, they're a little lackluster. That's just how they are. I don't mind using a glitter primer because I use a glitter primer with every shimmer anyways. All right, so here we have Anubis, Seth, and Khepri. They're really cute, but you can see they're not the most like insanely vibrant, but they have such a pretty sparkle in them. They're all so sparkly. They're so cute. I'm now just gonna take some of my NYX glitter primer. I'm just gonna take a little dot on my finger and I'm gonna rub it on my hand right below them. So I'm just packing those right back on, and you can just see how much more just metallic and shiny and impactful they are. They just sparkle so much more and they're just so much more impactful with the glitter glue. I love using my NYX glitter primer with everything ever. I don't know what we're gonna create. Obviously it's gonna be something blue and gold just based on what we got. I think it's gonna be very pretty and I can't wait to put it on my eyeballs. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit, prime my eyes with my Sigma eyeshadow base and Ignite. I'm not gonna set it. I think I'm gonna use my Certifeye palette, the Affinity 2, just for some of these blues to have some mattes in the crease, and we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna butcher the names in the Certifeye palette, but I am gonna start with this one, which is just like a traditional mid-tone blue, nothing too crazy. I'm just taking that on this kind of medium-sized blending brush, and I'm going to just start packing and building it up in the outer corner. And then I'll start carrying it through the rest of the crease. I'm probably gonna do a half-cut crease with the look today. I feel like I like to do that when I'm really trying to showcase shimmers. I can't speak. Although this would have been really pretty as a halo eye too. Maybe I'll do a halo eye. Why not? Let's do a halo. A blue gold halo. That could be really pretty. So I'm just taking this all the way in inner to outer corner and throughout the rest of my crease just to get that base going. And I'm going to do the same to the lower lash line. I'm just going to drag it all the way across. Ooh, I have a gold eye pencil I haven't used yet from NYX. I'm excited to use that later. Beautiful. So now I'm just going to take this lightest blue on this BH Cosmetics brush. It's just a fluffy brush. It doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to just slowly go all around this perimeter, blending out this edge until it's a little bit softer. I'll dip into more shadow as necessary. But really, I'm just gonna be patient and do lots of blending until it's a little bit softer, like I just said. All right, I am a fan of what this looks like, so as I continue blending, let's move on to one of these sparkle shadows. So I'm just gonna take this kind of dense shadow brush because it's really gonna, I don't know, just aid in what I'm trying to do. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of NYX Glitter Primer and pop it mostly in the inner and outer portion of the eye, kind of on top of that blue actually, because I'll go back through and put more glitter primer in the middle in a minute. I'm gonna dip into Anubis, which is the sparkly blue. It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna pat this in the inner and outer portion of the eye. Oh my gosh, it looks like stars dancing on my eyeball. Ooh, this might be one of the prettiest shadows I've ever gotten from this brand. Wow. It's so pretty. I would totally just put this all over my lid and call it a day. Oh my gosh, it's magical. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that brush off now, take a little bit more glitter glue just on the opposite side and tap it in the middle of my eye. And then I'm gonna take Seth, which is the middle gold, and I'm going to pop that in the middle of my eye. And then I'm simply just gonna kind of go back and forth between the two colors until I like the way they kind of mesh and flow together. I really like that a lot, actually. I think that's really pretty, and especially when I put a gold liner in my waterline, that's gonna really pull it together. For my inner corner, I'm going to take the lightest of the golds, which was Khepri, and just pop it in my inner corner. Ooh, that's a pretty gold. I might actually pop a tiny bit of that right in the very center of my lid just to add even more highlight. Just gonna use that same tiny little brush. This is a Morphe M213. And I'm just going to do a quick little dot in the center, pick up a tiny bit more of that, and just literally right in the very center just to add a little highlights. Look how pretty it brought that all together. Oh, I love this. Ooh, super cool. I'm just gonna take that first, or that larger of the blending brushes just to make sure these edges look good. And for my waterline, I think I'm gonna go in with that gold like I've been talking about this whole video. This is from NYX, it's in the shade Glitzy Gold. That's gonna look very cute in my waterline. Ooh, just look how pretty that ties everything together. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love this so much, and I'm never the person to say this, but I don't even wanna use the glitter because I like the way this looks on its own. But we must use the glitter. I'm probably just gonna do just a few little glitter tears right in the center. But I think I'm gonna do the other eye first so that I can use one of these brushes so I don't have to dirty another one. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye and I will be right back. All right, we're back with 2 eyes done. So let's dip into that sarcophagus glitter. And again, I think I just wanna do a couple little glitter tears, nothing too wild today. I just wiped off this brush heavily and I'm gonna use the gold side because it's less messy. And I'm just going to take some more NYX Glitter Primer, just a very small amount, and tap it right underneath the center of my eye. And I actually like to take the glitter in the thing. I like to have it unscrewed and just kind of shake it around because then some of the smaller pieces will stick to the top and it makes it easier to get to them, or you can just spill it on my desk like I just did. I'm just going to grab some of those little pieces and just simply pop them right underneath. I don't want to go too overkill, so I'm making sure to take some small pieces mostly. Just something like this. I'll just kind of scrape away the ones I don't want. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye now. I'm gonna throw on that gloss wherever I put it and we'll finish this up. All right, this is the final look. I like it a lot. I am the Scarab Queen and I think this is cute. I went with my same Sugarpill Dazed lashes, and then of course that Bastet gloss is on my lips. It would look really cool on top of like a black lipstick or even a dark navy lipstick. That would have looked really awesome, but I didn't feel like wearing an actual lipstick today. I've been really liking just a sheer gloss, and I think this one's really pretty. I like this look all put together. I feel very cute. I have no plans today. I'm getting my nails done soon, but I'm not like wearing this long term. I would, but I'm not today. So this will be just for you guys. Enjoy. Did you guys get the bag this month? I would love to see looks you've created with it and things like that. At the bottom of the card, it always says what next month's theme is, and next month's theme is Beetlejuice Beauty. I can't wait. I'm so hype. I just know that's gonna be my favorite bag ever. I can't wait for Beetlejuice Beauty. Okay, so yeah, this is the look. I love it. I liked all the products in the bag this month. Truly, I think they were all great. I could see myself reaching for that sparkly blue again for sure. It's so pretty. I feel very good in this look and I'm just excited. If you enjoyed this Apoclyptic Beauty subscription unbagging and try on, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I post most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.